Hi guys, for today's lab we'll be talking about climate change and sea level rise. The objective of this lab is to create a model to describe changes in climates and the interactions with the atmosphere. The materials you'll be needing is water, ice, here, anything to write with, Play-Doh, and a empty container. As you can see, this is how you want your containers to be. You need them to have both label sea ice and land ice. So once you have them labeled, you want to start putting the ice cubes in. For the sea ice, you want to put the ice cubes right next to the Play-Doh, while the land ice, you will need to put the ice cubes on top of the Play-Doh. And then you want to start putting water all the way to make sure it does not reach the top of the Play-Doh. Also, one important thing to add, make sure you're collecting data over time. You'll be needing 100 seconds to collect as much information you need. You'll be needing a table chart and a ruler to measure each side as the water gets higher. This is the data I have collected over time. As you can see, the sea ice, there's barely any ice, only 2 ice cubes, and you can see the water increased really big. And we could look over here in land ice, you can see we still have some ice cubes, but you could tell they're already going to be melting. This lab meets activity objectives and next year science stands by showing how sea and ocean level rise and explaining why it does because of climate change and global warming affecting our atmosphere. With this lab, we'll show students how global warming works. The ice in the container represents ice sheets and glaciers. Students will also observe and notice how containers that label C had all the ice melted first. Then they'll notice that it also has the higher water levels compared to the land container since it is in the water. Students will also make inference of why this is important. Inferences such as water levels rising could affect lands and animals nearby, causing so much damage. And because of this, students also knows that sea ice is more dangerous because how much faster the ice melts in the container.